Ugh, I look terrible. I look like Chelsea Handler 12 years ago. What? What time is it?
7:45. You've been sleeping through monk repeats and cutting wake-up farts.
What is it with me today?
I know, you're acting so stupid, man.
I'm up.
Stan, you look horrible.
And he's acting so stupid, man.
I think you should see a doctor. Maybe we shouldn't go to the dance contest.
Nonsense, he's fine. All you need to worry about is dancing your little fanny off. See a doctor immediately, you're obviously dying.
Well, Mr. Smith, it seems that you have aged.
I have AIDS.
No, not AIDS. You've aged.
I'm being paged.
No, not paged. Aged.
I have AIDS? Again?
This should help your hearing, but more importantly, end this bit. Mr. Smith, my concern is that 2 months ago you were in great health, but now you have the body of a 75-year-old man.
What?
You're aging at an alarming rate.
How did this happen?
Well, let's see. Do you smoke?
No.
Are you President of the United States?
No.
Have you been cursed and or hexed recently by someone old and or magical?
Dad, I think maybe that creepy guy at the camping store hexed you, and now you're turning into an old man.
Wait, are hexes even real?
I find that most things are.
Y'all saying Texas ain't real?
No, hexes.
Oh, okay, good. Yeah, 'cause Texas is real, that's for sure. Now, if you'll excuse me, I'm gonna have my penis removed in the first of many painful steps that it takes to become a woman.